This is Prizm H25543. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. Someone in this break is winning the Bears. Yeah. That's a good idea. My eyes are so perfectly trained now. I know exactly where it is on most lollies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Vikings! 5 times. Vikings on top. Vikings, Adam Young, congratulations. All right. Well, that's like you used to get told McDonald's ice cream has pig fat in it. And everyone used to be like, oh no, that's so gross. No, it doesn't. And also, I don't know if Macca's ice cream ever had gelatin in it. Max Melton. We have a gold Jared Verse and a green. All right. It's a little sticky over here. Trevon Walker for the Jags and a gold. 4 of 10 on Trevon Walker. Gold Jared Verse, 9 of 10. That's... Oh, sorry. Yeah, 2 to 10s. That's it. All right. Yeah, I can't remember. From what I can tell, they don't. Eric Hall. It doesn't. Rashad White Disco. Great start. 2 to 10s in one pack. Dolphin and Ricky Williams portals. Down the right, Audrey Costeem. Jared Verse again. Who is Jared Verse? I saw that, Bailey. Hold up, what was it? What was it? Munch, send it to me. Lockdown, Miles Garrett. It did not come through on mine. Chris Jenkins, here, James, Terry Arnold. Fireworks, Evan Dix. Michael Pratt, Jaden Hicks. DJ James, number 299. Whoa! All purpose Steve on 7 seconds. Wave them to Brahman. Elisa Isaac, number 249. I'm not going to lie to you. I watched very few NFL games this year, and I definitely watch even less. Latu. Trotter, Sinat, Red, Demario Davis, number 275. That's a variation, Latu. So... So Brooke and I were talking Vals and McConkey, St. John Edwards, Sam Laporta. I said it would be extremely funny if I made like a very poor, very out of date Jaden Daniels Prismatic unnumbered disco, very nice. A very poor, very out of touch 500 years too late, Jaheim Bell, AJ Brown, Borat reference. just to make everybody in the everyone there just cringe. Jonathan Brooks, throwback. Devontae Sweat, Jaquez Jackson, and Zaire Franklin as Prizm Huddle 25543. Like just halfway through, be like, I can't even do it. It's so bad. Could you imagine?